On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 Classic 33 FBQ by Airstream. Built specifically for long-term travel and living, the build quality and attention to detail is evident in every aspect of this travel trailer. The powered dinette has comfortable bench seating with storage drawers and marble tabletop that converts to a lounger or sleeping space at the push of a button. The kitchen area is efficiently laid out and well lit. There's lots of counter space, and a large single-basin stainless steel sink. The high-end stove, oven, and convection microwave make the cooking possibilities endless. And with all the storage options above and below, plus the refrigerator immediately to the right, grabbing ingredients is quick and easy. The floor plan is surprisingly spacious, providing a luxurious and roomy feel. At the end of the galley is a large desk area with reading lights, pop-up power, and lots of storage. Directly across is an ultra-soft, powered reclining sofa. And above is a media cabinet with an LCD video projector. There's a 60-inch screen that drops down in front of the large desk window. Couple that with the superior surround sound system, and movie nights or game day watch parties will never be better. At the rear is Airstream's most spacious bathroom offer, starting with a mirrored wardrobe on the right, and spanning the entire back of the trailer. There's a large vanity, lighted medicine cabinet, and vessel sink, along with a heated towel bar, and a glass-enclosed residential-style shower with heated floor and incredible lighting. Everything you see, touch and operate in this Classic is the top of the line. At the front is your private bedroom sanctuary. A power queen bed allows you to adjust to sit, sleep with your head more elevated, or lie flat, all without having to get up from where you are. This unique and desirable Airstream Classic has all the residential luxury you'll need for complete relaxation and entertainment on all your travel adventures. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.